Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Schema Pro for structured data, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Schema Pro, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate the Plugins section. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type Schema Pro and hit Enter. Look for the Schema Pro plugin in the search results. Once you find it, click the Install Now button. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now, you will see Schema Pro listed under the Plugins section. Go to the Schema Pro dashboard by clicking on its name in the menu. You will be prompted to connect your Schema Pro account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Follow the instructions provided to set up your account. Once connected, you will see the main interface for Schema Pro. Begin by selecting the type of schema you want to add. Click on Add New Schema to create your first schema markup. Choose from the variety of schema types available based on your content. Fill in the required fields with the relevant information. Customize the settings according to your needs. After completing the setup, click on the Save button. You can now see your newly created schema in the dashboard. For additional schema types, repeat the process as needed. Finally, ensure everything is functioning properly by using Google's Structured Data Testing tool. This tool helps verify that your schema markup is correctly implemented. Once confirmed, your structured data is ready to enhance your website's visibility in search results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.